In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about chapter number 5 of BSc Zoology paper D, that is about circulation, immunity and gas exchange. This video is very important for all competitive exams of biology, लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Transport of material in protozoan is done by coelomic fluid, diffusion process, circulatory system, gastrovascular cavity. So correct answer is option B. Transport of material in protozoan is done by the process of diffusion from general body surface. Question number 2. Transport of material in sponges is through coelomic fluid, diffusion process, circulating fluid, gastrovascular cavity. So correct answer is option C. Circulating fluid is responsible for transport of material in sponges. In addition to this, sponges also have water canal system for transport of material. Question 3. Gastrovascular cavity is responsible for transport in protozoans, sponges, cnidarian, flatworms. So correct answer is option C and option D because both cnidarian and flatworms contain gastrovascular cavity for transport. Question 4. Complex gastrovascular cavity is present in flatworms, nematode, cnidarian, mollusk. So correct answer is option A. Complex gastrovascular cavity is present in flatworms and it is highly branched. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन 5. Which of the following is pseudocoelomate animal? Rotifers, nematodes, gastrotrix, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these animals are pseudocoelomate or they have false body cavity. Question 6. Presence of hemolymph and unidirectional blood vessel is characteristic of sponges, mollusk, nematode, cnidarian. So correct answer is option B. Hemolymph as well as unidirectional blood vessels are present in mollusk. Question 7. Transport in pseudocoelomate animal is done through coelomic fluid, diffusion process, circulatory system, gastrovascular cavity. So correct answer is option A. Coelomic fluid is responsible for transport in pseudocoelomate animals or nematodes. Question 8. Specialized cardiovascular system is present in flatworms, nematodes, cnidarian, mollusk. So correct answer is option D. Mollusk have specialized cardiovascular system. Question 9. Coelomic fluid is identical in composition to hemolymph, interstitial fluid, hemocytes, blood. So correct answer is option B. Coelomic fluid is identical in composition to the interstitial fluid. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने पेपर डी की बाकी चैप्टर्स की वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो उनका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है, आप उन वीडियोस को भी देख लें ताकि वो चैप्टर्स भी आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Hemolymph is a circulating fluid present in arthropods, ascidian, mollusk, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Hemolymph is a circulating fluid that is present in arthropods, ascidian as well as mollusk. Question 11. Blood cells of annelids contain erythrocytes, hemocytes, selenocytes, thrombocytes. So correct answer is option B. Blood of annelids contain hemocytes which are phagocytic in nature. Question 12. Pearl formation or nacrization occur in arthropods, mollusk, nematode, echinoderms. So correct answer is option B. Pearl formation or nacrization occurs in bivalve mollusk. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of coelocytes? Amoebocytes, lymphocytes, eliocytes, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three are example of coelocytes. Question number 14. Coelocytes which are responsible for nacrization are amoebocytes, granulocytes, lymphocytes, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Both amoebocytes as well as granulocytes are responsible for nacrization in bivalve mollusk. Question 15. Invertebrates having closed circulatory system are echinoderms, arthropods, platyhelminthes, annelids. So correct answer is option D. Annelids have closed circulatory system while all other invertebrates have open circulatory system. Question 16. Open circulatory system is present in mollusks, vertebrates, arthropods, both A and C. So correct answer is option D. Open circulatory system is present in mollusks as well as arthropods. Question 17. Exchange between the blood and extracellular fluid takes place in blood capillaries, blood arteries, blood veins, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Blood capillaries are the exchange sites between the blood and extracellular fluid. Question 18. Blood is a specialized form of connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue, adipose tissue. So correct answer is option A. Blood is a specialized form of connective tissue. Question 19. Concentration of proteins present in the plasma are 90%, 0.07%, 0.9%, 55%. So correct answer is option B. The concentration of proteins present in the plasma is 7%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question 20. Most abundant protein in the blood plasma is albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin. So correct answer is option A. The most abundant protein in the blood plasma is albumin protein, and it accounts for 60% of the proteins present in the blood plasma. Question 21. Blood serum is formed when which thing is removed from the plasma? Albumin are removed, blood clotting proteins are removed, globulins are removed, prothrombin are removed. So correct answer is option B. When blood clotting proteins are removed from the plasma, then blood serum is formed. Blood clotting protein that is present in the plasma is fibrinogen. Question 22. Globulin proteins are responsible for osmotic balance, immune response, blood clotting, both A and B. So correct answer is option B. Globulin proteins are responsible for immune response as they are involved in production of antibodies. Question 23. Which of the following function as macrophages? Monocytes, lymphocytes, eosinophils, basophils. So correct answer is option A. Monocytes function as macrophages and they destroy foreign particles. Question 24. Enucleated red blood cells are present in reptiles, mammals, birds, all of these. So correct answer is option B. Enucleated or non-nucleated red blood cells are present in mammals. Question 25. Elliptical red blood cells are present in horse, camel, deer, lions, and tiger. So correct answer is option B. Camel and llama have elliptical red blood cells. Question 26. Largest red blood cells are found in salamander, camel and llama, jawfishes, in crocodile. So correct answer is option B. Largest red blood cells are found in amphibians, especially in salamander. Question 27. When hemoglobin combines with carbon dioxide, deoxyhemoglobin is formed, carboxyhemoglobin is formed, carbinohemoglobin is formed, oxyhemoglobin is formed. So correct answer is option C. When hemoglobin combines with carbon dioxide, then carbinohemoglobin is formed. Question 28. Most abundant white blood cells are neutrophils, basophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils. So correct answer is option A. Neutrophils are the most abundant white blood cells that are present up to 60% of total white blood cells. Question 29. Anti-inflammatory chemicals during allergic reaction released from neutrophils, basophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils. So correct answer is option D. Eosinophils release anti-inflammatory chemicals during allergic reaction. Question 30. What is the main function of neutrophils? Release histamine, function as active phagocytes, provides immunity, delayed blood vessels. So correct answer is option B. Neutrophils function as active phagocytes and destroy the germ particles. Question 31. Process of white blood cell formation is called erythropoiesis, hematopoiesis, hematuria, thrombosis. So correct answer is option B. Hematopoiesis is the formation of white blood cell, while the erythropoiesis is the formation of red blood cell. Question 32. B lymphocytes are produced in bone marrow, liver, spleen, thymus gland. So correct answer is option A. B lymphocytes are produced in bone marrow. Question 33. Which one play important role in immune responses? B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, natural killer cells, monocytes. So correct answer is option B. T lymphocytes is playing important role in immune responses. Similarly, B lymphocytes up to certain extent is also responsible for immune responses as it is involved in production of antibodies. Question 34. Which of the following prevent blood clotting? Histamine, heparin, fibrinogen, albumin. So correct answer is option B. Heparin protein prevents the blood clotting and they are released from mast cells or basophil cells. Question 35. Blood cells which help in blood clotting are leukocytes, erythrocytes, thrombocytes, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Thrombocytes or platelets are the blood cells which help in blood clotting. Question 36. Most numerous blood vessels are blood capillaries, blood veins, blood arteries, blood veins, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Blood capillaries are the most numerous blood vessels in the body. Question 37. Single circuit blood circulation is found in fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. So correct answer is option A. Single circuit blood circulation is found in fishes. Question 38. Heart have only single ventricle in case of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. So correct answer is option B. Amphibians' heart have only single ventricle. Question 39. In fishes, blood first of all enters in atrium, conus arteriosus, sinus venosus, ventricle. So correct answer is option C. In fishes, blood first of all enters in sinus venosus, then it enters into the atrium. From atrium, it enters into the ventricle, and from ventricle, it is enters into the conus arteriosus, and from conus arteriosus, it moves into the dorsal aorta. Question 40. Partially divided ventricles are present in the heart of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. So correct answer is option C. Reptiles have partially divided ventricles in their heart. Question 41. Completely separated ventricles are present in crocodile, mammals, birds, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Birds, mammals and crocodilian reptiles have completely separated ventricle. Question 42. Average volume of blood present in adult male is 3 liter, 5 liter, 7 liter, 9 liter. So correct answer is option B. Average volume of blood that is present in adult male is 5 liter. Question 43. The outermost protective covering of heart is epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, procardium. So correct answer is option A. Epicardium is the outermost protective covering of heart and it is made of fibrous connective tissue. Question 44. Valve present between right atrium and ventricle is bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, aortic valve, semilunar valve. So correct answer is option B. Tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle and it prevents the backflow of blood from ventricle into the atrium. Question 45. Which of the following acts as pacemaker? SA node, AV node, Purkinje fibers, bundle of His. So correct answer is option A. SA node or sinoatrial node function as pacemaker. Question 46. Which of the following play important role in defense of the body against diseases? Lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, lymph nodes, all of these. So correct answer is option C. Lymph nodes play important role in defense of the body against diseases because lymph nodes store antibodies that are synthesized by B lymphocytes. Question 47. Systolic blood pressure of man is 80 mmHg, 90 mmHg, 100 mmHg, 120 mmHg. So correct answer is option D. 120 mmHg is the systolic blood pressure of a man, while the diastolic blood pressure of a man is 80 mmHg. Question 48. Which of the following is the lymphoid organ? Thymus gland, bursa fabricis, spleen, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Thymus gland, spleen and bursa fabricis are lymphoid organs. The bursa fabricis is a lymphoid organ that is present in birds. Question 49. Which of the following is deuterostome? Mollusk, annelids, arthropods, echinoderms. So correct answer is option D. Echinoderms and all vertebrates are deuterostomes, while the remaining three, annelids, mollusks, and arthropods, are protostome. Question 50. Which of the following is example of exocrine gland? Mammary gland, sweat gland, salivary gland, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three different glands are example of exocrine gland in mammals. Question 51. Non-specific defense is shown by skin, phagocytic white blood cells, antimicrobial proteins, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Non-specific defense is shown by all these three: skin, phagocytic white blood cells and antimicrobial proteins. Question 52. Saliva and mucous membrane have antimicrobial protein, lysozyme, histamine, ribozyme, prostaglandin. So correct answer is option A. Lysozymes are the antimicrobial proteins that is present in saliva and mucus secretion, and these lysozymes are phagocytic in nature. Question 53. Skin glands maintain the pH of skin at 7.4, 2.0, 3 to 5, 8.7. So correct answer is option C. Skin glands maintain the pH of skin in between 3 to 5. Question 54. Which of the following provides first line of defense? Skin and mucous membrane, phagocytic white blood cells, antimicrobial proteins, inflammatory responses. So correct answer is option A. Skin and mucous membrane provides first line of defense for body. Question 55. Neutrophils account for in total white blood cells 15%, 60 to 70%, 1.5%, 10 to 15%. So correct answer is option B. Neutrophils accounts for almost 60 to 70% in total white blood cells. These are the most abundant white blood cells. Question 66. Kupffer cells are macrophages that are present in liver, kidney, spleen, pancreas. So correct answer is option A. Kupffer cells are alveolar macrophages that are present in liver. Question 67. Fixed macrophages are most abundant in blood and lymph, spleen, lymph node, both B and C. So correct answer is option D. In both spleen and lymph nodes, fixed macrophages are most abundant, while the free macrophages are most abundant in case of blood and lymph. Question 68. Complement system is a group of 20 proteins, 15 proteins, 13 proteins, 10 proteins. So correct answer is option A. A complement system consists of 20 proteins which work together to provide defense of a body against diseases. Question 69. Antimicrobial proteins produced by virus-infected cells are prostaglandin, interferons, beta-endorphins, histamine. So correct answer is option B. Interferons are the antimicrobial proteins that are produced by virus-infected cells. Question 70. The temperature of an injured area is increased by prostaglandin, interferons, heparin, histamine. So correct answer is option A. The temperature of the injured area is increased by prostaglandin released from some white blood cells. Question 71. Chemicals which reaches the hypothalamus and increase the whole body temperature are prostaglandin, pyrogens, heparin, histamine. So correct answer is option B. Pyrogens reach the hypothalamus and increase the body temperature. Question 72. Which of the following recognizes antigen and combat with them? T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, natural killer cells, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Both A and B, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes recognizes the antigens and fight with them. Question 73. T lymphocytes becomes mature in thymus gland, liver, spleen, bone marrow. So correct answer is option A. T lymphocytes are produced in bone marrow, but they becomes mature in thymus gland. 74. Which kind of immunity is shown by T lymphocytes? Cellular immunity, non-specific defense, humoral immunity, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Cellular immunity or cell-mediated immunity is shown by T lymphocytes, in which T lymphocytes directly kill the macrophages or germs particle. Question 75. Which is not related to the B lymphocytes? Plasma clone cells, antibodies and antitoxins, humoral immunity, all are related to B lymphocytes. So correct answer is option D. All are related to B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes produces plasma clone cells and it also produces antibodies and antitoxin and shows humoral immunity by producing antibodies. So correct answer must be option D. Question 76. Light chains and heavy chains of antibodies are joined by covalent bond, hydrogen bond, glycosidic bond, disulfide bond. So correct answer is option D. Light and heavy chains of antibodies are joined with each other by means of disulfide bond. Question 77. Foreign substances which stimulate immune responses are immunogens, antibodies, antitoxins, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Immunogens or antigens are the foreign substances which stimulate the immune response. Question 78. Which of the following cells produces antibodies? Plasma cells, B cells, T cells, memory cells. So correct answer is option B. B lymphocyte cells produces antibodies. Question 79. Serum containing antibodies is called antiserum, antivenom, antitoxin, antiseptic. So correct answer is option A. Serum containing antibodies are called antiserum. Question 80. Respiration in annelids takes place by body surface, integument, parapodia, lungs. So correct answer is option C. Respiration in annelids took place by parapodia, which are lateral appendages and used for locomotion and respiration. Question 81. Most aquatic invertebrates carries out gases exchange by lungs, gills, tracheae, integument. So correct answer is option B. Most aquatic invertebrates carries out gases exchange through gills such as crustacean. Question 82. Crustaceans and mollusks respire through body surface, gills, parapodia, lungs. So correct answer is option B. Crustaceans and mollusks respire through gills. Question 83. Respiration in terrestrial invertebrates took place by gills, both lungs, tracheal system, both B and C. So correct answer is option D. Respiration in terrestrial invertebrates took place by tracheal system as well as both lungs. Question 84. Trachea opens to the outside by means of osculum, spiracles, tracheoles, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Trachea opens to the outside by means of spiracles, and these spiracles are used in gases exchange. Question 85. Book lungs is the characteristic of arachnids, crustacean, hexapods, mollusks. So correct answer is option A. Book lungs is the characteristic of arachnids, while the book gills is the characteristic of crustacean. Question 86. Land snails and slugs contain gills, book lungs, tracheal system, pulmonate lungs. So correct answer is option D. Land snail and slugs contain pulmonate lungs and they belongs to the subclass Pulmonata of phylum Mollusca. Question 87. Bimodal breathing is an adaptation: respiratory adaptation, excretory adaptation, digestive adaptation, thermal adaptation. So correct answer is option A. Bimodal breathing is a respiratory adaptation in which organisms simultaneously exchange gases with water and air. Question 88. Which of these animals shows bimodal breathing? Option A. Lungs, lungfishes, salamander, crabs, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Lungfishes, salamanders and crabs shows bimodal breathing. Question 89. Respiration occur in reptiles by means of body surface, gills, parapodia, lungs. So correct answer is option D. Respiration occur in reptiles by means of lungs. Question 90. Cutaneous respiration is most dominant in amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds. So correct answer is option A. Cutaneous respiration is most dominant respiration in amphibians. Question 91. Most efficient lungs are present in amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds. So correct answer is option D. Most efficient lungs are present in birds. They remove the almost 90% nitrogenous waste in each breath. Question 92. Gaseous exchange in birds took place in parapodia, parabronchi, air sacs, alveoli. So correct answer is option B. Gaseous exchange in birds took place in parabronchi. Question 93. Gaseous exchange in humans took place in parapodia, parabronchi, air sacs, alveoli. So correct answer is option D. A sac-like structure, alveoli, is responsible for gaseous exchange in humans. Question 94. Respiratory pigments that are most rare in nematodes, mollusks, insects, crustaceans. So correct answer is option C. Respiratory pigments are most rare in case of insects. Insects have only hemoglobin as a respiratory pigment. Question 95. Most common respiratory pigment in animal is hemocyanin, chlorochlorine, hemoglobin, hemorythrin. So correct answer is option C. Hemoglobin is the most common respiratory pigment in animals. Question number 96. Respiratory pigment present in crustaceans and mollusks is hemocyanin, chlorochlorine, hemoglobin, hemerythrin. So correct answer is option A. Hemocyanin is a copper-containing bluish pigment, respiratory pigment that is present in crustaceans and mollusks. Question 97. Hemerythrin is a pink-colored respiratory pigment that is present in arthropods, annelids, echinoderms, mollusks. So correct answer is option B. Hemerythrin is a pink-colored iron-containing pigment, respiratory pigment that is present in polychaete worms, belongs to annelids. Question 98. What is the color of chlorochlorine when associated with low oxygen concentration? Bright red, green, bluish color, pink color. So correct answer is option B. The color of chlorochlorine is green when associated with low oxygen concentration. Similarly, its color is bright red when associated with high oxygen concentration. Question 99. Which respiratory pigment is present in polychaete worms? Hemerythrin, chlorochlorine, hemoglobin, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Both hemerythrin and chlorochlorine are present in polychaete worms that belongs to phylum Annelida. Question 100. Respiratory pigment that is evolved very early in animal history is hemocyanin, chlorochlorine, hemoglobin, hemerythrin. So correct answer is option C. Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment that is evolved very early in animal हिस्ट्री। तो ये थे 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट चैप्टर नंबर 5। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस करें। और अगर आपने बाकी चैप्टर की वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो वो भी देख लें।